In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix blurry highlights on Instagram. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, when your Instagram story highlights turn blurry, it's usually caused by an aggressive data saver restriction or an old app cache bottleneck. So the first thing you want to do is enable high quality uploads. So we're going to open up Instagram, go to the bottom right where it has the profile icon, then on the top right, press those three lines. And then we're going to go over and scroll down and select media quality. So we're just going to go ahead and find that section. Now it's going to be under your app and media. Now where it says upload at highest quality, you want to make sure that that is enabled. Next thing you want to do is force Instagram to match the native aspect ratio. So if you upload an image that wasn't shot vertically, Instagram's engine is going to force crop and artificially upscale the asset. So always crop your photos and videos to a native 9:16 or 1080 by 1920 pixels inside your phone's editing tool before posting them to your story. Now, the next thing that we can go ahead and do is go to settings, then go to general, then iPhone storage. And then from here, what we're going to do is locate Instagram. So once you locate it, go ahead and offload the application to clear the cache, and then you should be good to go.